everybody. Now Asian recipes can be comforting to exotic and very simple to make. Today I'm going to be making a recipe that is really for the soul. It's comforting, it's warm, it's soothing, it's wonderful on a cold day, and it's going to get ready in under 20 minutes. So let's get making some nice prawn noodle soup. For that we'll need a wok. For me, the soul of this really simple recipe is the stock. I have got some freshly prepared seafood stock over here. You can use chicken stock if you like, you can use prawn stock, whatever you like. We'll allow our stock to come to a boil. If you're in a real hurry and you don't have time to make stock, you can quickly put in some vegetables in the water and get it boiling. And then put maybe half a stock cube in it, a good quality store-bought stock cube, and you'll have a lovely fresh stock. Now our stock has come to a boil. We'll add in some nice ginger julienne. We'll add in our lovely fresh prawns, which I have already cleaned and washed. We'll season the soup with some salt. We'll add in some bok choy leaves, some finely shredded Chinese cabbage. You can use any other vegetables that you like. You can add some carrots, some onions, some mushrooms. Today I'm just going with bok choy and Chinese cabbage. Quickly give this a stir. Remember, the prawns and the vegetables will cook very quickly in this dish, and we want them to be very crunchy, and we don't want the prawns to overcook. We'll add in some crushed black pepper, and I'm also adding some very fine broccoli florets. And that's it. Our soup is almost ready. Now we'll plate the soup. The plating over here will take a little bit more time even than the cooking actually. So this is one dish where the plating takes almost as much time as the cooking. And a very important part of this recipe is choosing the biggest soup bowl you can find at home. I'm going to put in my boiled noodles in the center of the bowl. We'll ladle the soup on top of the noodles. I'm going to put a few slices of boiled egg. I'm going to just crispen my nori sheet a little bit on top of the flame like this, very quickly. This is going to ensure that my seaweed is nice and crisp, as you can hear the sound. I'm going to cut it directly on top of my soup. And the wonderful part about this recipe is that options for garnishing are endless. I'm going to use a little bit of chili oil just on top because I love spice in my noodle soup. Some spring onion whites, spring onion greens, and some golden fried garlic. Now our comfortable, wonderful, yummy, nourishing bowl of prawn noodle soup is ready. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Hit like and subscribe to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana.